Hello everyone. Thank you for making it again to this video. If you are new to this channel, my name is Joseph. I am a Microsoft certified trainer. We have been working on VNet peering in this playlist, right? So if you have not watched the other videos, you may have to watch it so that it can make sense to you what has been done. And what we are going to do now can sync very fast with you. Okay, so if you have not subscribed to this channel, it's very important. Please do. Okay, so we want to go back to what we started doing. So let's just open link VNet 1. We want to pair VNet 1 to VNet 2 so that the machines that we have running can see themselves. Okay. So now let's come here. If you open the VNet, then down below, just take your time to check this place. You are going to see pairing. Okay. Now for this pairing, it's not having anything, right? For VNet 1. Now let's check VNet 2 also. VNet 2. Let's even open our link so that we can see VNet 2 from there directly. Link VNet 2. Where is it? VNet 2. Yeah, this is it. So I just want us to look at I just want to look at pairing also from the other side. Nothing is happening here, right? So let's go back home, or let's go to link and then let's open VNet 1. I want us to link from VNet 1 to VNet 2. Okay, now let's come to pairing, and then we can add pairing. So what we can do, the pairing name is very important. You can just do private dash, let's say link VNet 1 to dash link VNet 2 is the name of our pairing. Okay, so let's allow traffic to remote virtual network. Let's just check this other box. Allow traffic to forward is okay there. Now remote pairing is the opposite of this, right? So we can just paste this and we are saying private from 2 to 1. So that is how it is. So of course we want to allow this to, so it's asking us for the virtual network. Of course we have to pick that virtual network here, and it's going to be, we are in 1, so we are going to link 2. Okay, so that is that. So we can click on add. So while this is adding up now, we can, okay, it's added already and is linked to this, so it's connected. So let's go to VNet 2 to go and check again if we have anything under pairing. Okay, that one is coming up, I guess. Let's refresh it and see. Okay, so that's already here, showing that it's connected to VNet 1. We are in 2, showing that it's connected to VNet 1. And if we go to our link again, and then let's just check VNet 1, it will be showing that it is connected to VNet 2. Let's check the pairing. So you can see that it's connected to 2, right? Now let's come to our devices and let's I have them open here. Okay, so our devices, someone will want to expect that they start pinging immediately. Where's the second one? Okay, someone want to expect that they start pinging immediately, right? But they are still not pinging. So there's one more thing we need to do. The firewall rule is very important that it is set to allow the traffic from there to this place. But because this is just a demo, right? So we just want to disable the firewall because it's just a demo, right? But in a production environment, you have to set the firewall rule. So let's just come here and then let's turn off the firewall. Okay, from here. So I'm expecting that machine to already be seeing this one. Let's come back to this. Of course, can you see? It's already seeing the other one. You can see because the what's it called? is pinging .4. This is actually, remember that this is the other machine pinging the other one. Let's not get ourselves confused. So it's already seeing that. So, but for this other one is not seeing it, because also for the other machine, the firewall is still in place. So let's try to turn off this firewall also. Turn off or disable. Let's just use the word disable. Disable firewall. Okay, so let's just have this come up. Okay, so let's do this also, and then I'm expecting that this machine also should be seen now. Let's now go to this, and of course you can see that they can reach themselves, right? They can reach themselves from here and from this other place. So just to make it interesting, let me stop everything, Control C, just to stop everything, and then let me do CLS to clear this stuff. Then let me come back to this other guy, and then bring this up as well and do Control C, and then I will do CLS. Okay, now remember IP config, then we are having this as 192, that is class C for this machine, and then for this one IP config. So for this one we have 10.50.50.0.4. Then for this one we'll have 192. Now let's ping these devices. Now we'll just do ping. Then let's bring this other IP 10.50.0.4 for this, and then let's come to this other machine and just bring the IP ping, and then 192.168.0.4. Now for this one, let's see, it's pinging this already. Of course, you can see that everything went in as expected, and packet sent was 4, packet received was 0, was 4, and lost was 0. Of course, you can look at this, right? So let's also ping this other machine from this other side, from here, just to conclude this one, right? Let's hit enter. Okay, you can see it also. This one is pinging the other one. So the next thing I want us to do is to connect to one device from the other one using remote desktop protocol, RDP, right? So now let's come back to our portal. So coming back to our portal, we go to link, for example, we know that we have VM1. So I want us to connect to VM1 from VM2 using the public IP address over the remote desktop protocol. Okay, so looking at this is the public address of VM1. So let's go to VM2 and connect to this. Now, where's our VM2? What is that IP address? 61, right? 24.61. Okay, so that is this machine. Look at it here, .61. Then coming to this one that is having 142, we want to connect to this other one from here. So let's do this. Let's open this up. Let's do RDP. Then let's hit enter. Let's put in the public IP address of the other one. Of course, you can see that it's already connecting with it. So now what is the name of that machine? Let's come back to the this admin center here to pick up the name of the machine. What's the name of the machine? The name of the machine is look at it, computer name, this. So let's come back to this place and put the name here. Oh, okay, so the name is link VM1. Okay, so we are going to say link dash VM1. Okay, so that is the name, just to verify. Yeah, link VM1. And then let's put the password. Okay, so let's hit on OK. So it's inside of this machine. I'm not sure I can show you very well, but inside of this machine is connecting to this other machine. So let's just hold on and then look at it here. There's asking me yes. I just click on yes. It's going to prompt me to that it want to shut the other one down because you have been disconnected because another connection was made to the remote computer. Okay. So now inside of this VM, we now have the other VM. Look at it. Let me take this to this side. You find out that inside of one machine, we have two machines here open. This one here is for the other remote machine that was connected inside of here. So if I minimize this, I'm still going to be inside of a VM. If I maximize it, I'm still going to be inside of the VM. But if I minimize this one, that is the host, then I'm coming to my local PC. I don't know if that makes sense to you. So what it means is that inside of this machine, I am having this one running, coming up. So this one is the one hosting this one, right? Because this one is from the other machine, right? So inside of this machine is this one hosted. If I minimize this again, the whole thing will go down. But if I just to round off, if I minimize this one, then I'll be in the machine that is hosting it. So that is how interesting it is for me to have connected to a machine from a different network entirely, right? From a different network entirely. That is the magic behind VNet peering. I'm not sure I can understand what your question will be. I would have loved to really answer it before time. But if you have any question after watching this video series, please reach out and I'll be happy to give response to your questions. So thank you so much, guys, for all the comments, for the encouragement, for everything that you have been, contributing towards the growth of this channel. If you have not subscribed to the channel yet, please try to do that because we still have a lot of stuff coming up. Have a nice day and hope to see you at the top. Bye.